Is it a good time to buy a home in Maryland right now, or should you just wait a year, or 2 years, or 3 years? It's Friday, October 8th, 2021. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Home price forecasts for 2022 predict that prices will go up between 3.1% to 8.4%, with interest rates as low as they are right now. And in this type of market, waiting a year or more can cost you in several ways. If both home values and mortgage rates rise, you'll pay more in mortgage payments each month if both variables increase. For more detail, check out my video, 2 Reasons Why Waiting a Year to Buy Could Cost You. This even will apply to you if you are a current homeowner. It actually may make financial sense for you to purchase another home, either making the current home an investment property or using the new purchase as one. So over the past week, more homes came to market as buyer activity trended downwards again. Here's a snapshot of the inventory. 1,056 homes are coming soon, and this is trending downwards. 2,295 homes came to the market since the last report, which reflects a swell from the lower numbers we saw in August and September. 1,239 went under contract. 1,664 are temporarily off the market. 2,041 moved to pending, and 3,113 closed. This is significantly up. The highest priced property to close over this past week was this 1894 Victorian estate that sold for $5,100,000 in Chevy Chase. That's your market snapshot for October 8th. Thank you so much for tuning in. Join me next week for another update and subscribe for new content. Have a super weekend. I'll see you next Friday. Take care.